Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my pseudo unboxing and first impressions of the U8 Bluetooth Sports earbuds. Now, like the title says, pseudo, that means that I've already taken everything out of the box, and we're just going to go through everything that comes in the package, talk about the presentation, and then get into my first impressions. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Now, starting off talking about the packaging, I have to say this is some really good packaging here. Y'all can see we just got some branding up front, barcode information, and some key functions of the Bluetooth earbuds. So hands-free capability, stereo sound for music, dual pairing functionality. Let's see what else these offer. Flipping it to the side, ultra long standby time, we're going to put that to the test. High definition sound quality, we're also going to put that to the test. This is compatible with your iOS and your Android devices, and it does say it's Skype compatible as well. Flipping it to this side, this is the availability of colors for the earbuds. So you can see it comes in a wide variety of colors. Alright, flipping it to this side, again, just going over the compatibility, which we already covered. Flipping it to the back, we got some more key features here. So voice prompt capable, so you can use this with your voice assistants, depending on which operating system you're using. It does have Bluetooth version 4.1 on board. Really good stuff there. 240 hours of standby time with an hour and a half charge time, or an hour and 50 minutes, depending on how you look at it. These do come with micro USB charging capability, so that's a bummer right there. No USB Type-C, and they got an operating range of 10 meters or 33 feet. And the manufacturer says these bad boys should have 6 to 8 hours of talk time, but y'all know when I do my testing, we talk about this bad boy in terms of mixed usage. So we're going to put that to the test and see just what you can get out of these. So this is the primary packaging for the earbuds. Now let's move on and see everything that comes included. Alright, so included in this packaging, we have a nice little filler tray. Then we have our micro USB charging cable right there. Now I have a bunch of these. I have some high quality ones, so I'm probably never going to use these. Put that over here. Then we have a nice user manual. We're going to go over this in a second, so let me rest that over here as well. And then we have another box, and this box actually houses the earphones. Alright, and it also houses the different earbud sizes. So you can see we got the mediums and we got the large. So it comes with the small earbud tips already installed. Alright, let's rest this off to the side. And now let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. So you can see it comes in this nice anti-static bag here. And let's pull these out. And it does come with a nice cable management clip, as y'all can see there. So that's nice. And let's untangle this. Alright. Bam. Now everything is all untangled. Let me clear off some of the space a little bit. Alright, get all that stuff out the way. And here are the earbuds themselves. So this is the secondary bud right here. Get an idea how that looks. Okay, and you can see this is the black earbuds with the red trim. So I actually think that looks really good. And then we have the main earbud right here. So power on off button, multifunction button, volume keys up at the top there, as you can see. Alright, and then micro USB down here at the bottom. Let's open this up and see how easy this is to open. So Opens up pretty easy. Y'all can see micro USB charging port there. So really good stuff there. Alright. And we do have our multicolored LED right there in the front. So good stuff there as well. Alright. Alright, so now what I want to do for y'all, before we talk about this user manual and wrap the video up, I just want to throw these on my head real quick and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel on my head and in my ears. So we're going to do this in real time. I'm not going to pause the video. So here we go. Okay. Now what's nice about these earbuds is they have the little wing tips similar to the Treblab earbuds that I previously reviewed. So these should be nice and comfy. Now they don't have the adjustable tips, so you can't adjust these to the perfect fit. And I'm noticing that it does take a little bit more adjusting to get it nice and comfortable. That's one side done. Alright. And let's do the other side now. Okay. So they're both in. Now let's just do a quick shake test. Moving around very vigorously. They're not coming out. They're staying in place. Really, really good. And this is important because these are touted as sports earbuds. So they're supposed to be able to use for running and in the gym. And they do have an IPX4 sweat and water resistance rating. So we're going to put that to the test as well. And I'll let y'all know in the full review. But first impressions, they fit really good and they feel really good in the ears. Alright. And that's surprising because the price that I paid for these bad boys, I couldn't really say no. And we're going to go ahead and spoil the price right here. I was actually able to pick these up via Amazon for $10. Okay? So for $10, I'm like, man, they couldn't be any good. I had to pick them up. I had to put them to the test. So we're going to find out just how good they are. But that being said, before we wrap up this video, let's now take a quick little second and go through the user manual here. Alright, and this does come in two different languages. It comes in English and it comes in Chinese or Japanese. So let's fold this out. So you can see we got the English on this side. Now we're going to pan through the video. Feel free to pause and read for yourselves. Alright, and if it's unclear, I'll throw up the screenshot in post. So this is the first page. Second page right here. Third page. Fourth page. And the fifth page. Okay, and then flipping it over. Again, same thing in a different language. So let's pan this through. Alright, so that pretty much does it for the user manual. And as I always do, if any of this was unclear, I'll throw up the screenshots in post. Alright, y'all. So first impressions wise, I have to say these seem pretty good. Alright. Now my full review for these should be out in about a week from the posting of this video. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Okay. That being said, that pretty much does it for this pseudo unboxing and first impressions of these relatively inexpensive sport Bluetooth earbuds. Alright. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video or found the video helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see more videos like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright? That being said, if this video piqued your interest, All the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up, okay? And we're using my Ongo stabilization kit to record all of this and stabilize all this footage. Alright, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everybody. We out of here.